So have you been thinking, have you got the best accounting system for your business?
If you haven't yet, click the bell and subscribe to be notified every time we produce our best pieces of content.
An accounting system is important for two reasons. The first one is making tax digital. You have to file returns online, otherwise you are not being compliant. The second one is, this is the scoreboard for your business. So if you're into football, rugby, tennis, they have a scoreboard there that they can clearly see exactly what the results are. So do you have that for your business, or are you running your business with your eyes closed? So which accounting system is best for me? I will start off with number one. Be careful who you listen to, because there's a lot of advice where you get ba 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 ba. This is the best accounting system, when really the best accounting system for them may not be the best accounting system for you. Or if you speak to some advisors, they may recommend their own favourites, but maybe not one that is best for you. So number one that I would be really careful of is be careful who you're listening to. What are the key controls for your business? So if you're a construction company and you're building houses or blocks of flats, you need to make sure you've got a really tight handle of projects. So you need to know exactly what you're spending on materials, exactly what you're spending on subcontractors, and what you're spending on professional fees. You need to know by the time you finish that project, you are making a profit. A second one could be if you're trading internationally, where you've got US dollars, you've got yen, you've got a variety of different currencies. Some accounting packages fall over when you come to foreign currencies. So you need to make sure in that case, your accounting package deals with this seamlessly. Another one could be if you're a manufacturing company and you've got stock. There are some accounting systems that are just terrible with stock. They just can't deal with it. So make sure when you're choosing an accounting software, it deals with everything that you need to run your business effectively. Make sure you're inputting it once. What do you mean by that? Easy. I've lost count of the amount of customers that I've come across as prospects that say, oh yeah, we do our own invoicing and then we give it to our accountant and they put it on Sage. So there was one that I came across recently, was putting their invoices on Xero. The accountant was then putting it on Sage and then putting it in twice. What a waste of time doing this. What you should have is make sure all of your invoicing is going directly onto your accounting package. Currently, it's really easy to do. You can do this on your phone without any problems, instead of using old paper books, Excel templates, Word documents that you are doing things twice. Please make sure you don't waste your time. A good accounting package is starting to build a scoreboard for yourself. Yeah, and I mentioned this earlier, so it's the same as a sporting event, whether you're into football or rugby or whatever your thing is. Now, we did a video before on business dashboards that basically describes how you would build a dashboard for your business, but it starts with your accounting package. So what you want to make sure is that you've got good figures going into your package, because if you put rubbish into it, you are going to get rubbish out. Then that way you can look at clearly to say, yeah, this month we're doing this quarter we're doing this, we're on budget and we are winning. This is the start of helping you run your business, instead of getting in front of your accountant at the year end with a white knuckle going, how did we get on? Eliminate that today. So issues with accounting packages. Some packages that are out there in a minute are really good, but sometimes the owners will not invest in them. And if they stand still, in reality, that means they are going backwards. Now, you don't want this for your business because it is a key part of yours. Now, the two big ones on the market at the minute are Quickbooks and Xero. Now, personally, I'm more of a Xero fan. I use it for my own practice at MDH, but it's not suitable for every business, but it does a big majority of them. So when you're looking at industry leaders, look at who is going to invest in the future, and also be mindful to keep an eye on it, because anything that is stopped being developed is going backwards. So have a look at your system at the minute. What are you using? What's going really well and what could be better? And sit down with your advisor and have a chat with them to see how this can be improved. Now, if you haven't got an advisor that you trust at the minute, I'm offering you a discovery call with me. If you click my calendar link below, we can jump on a call for 30 minutes. I will take on board any questions that you've got and give you some solid advice. And yes, I promise there'll be no pushy sales pitch.